Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Pamela, and thank you for joining me. For those who do not know me, welcome and welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment down below. So this video, I'm just gonna show you with one head wrap that I have. I'm just gonna show you ways to tie it. So I just have one scarf. I use it as a scarf, or you can call it a turban. It's fine. So the first style that I'm gonna do, you're gonna just have to bring your head wrap closer to cover your hair, and then you tie it at the back. Make sure your turban is tied tightly, and then after that you take the strips, twist them to make a rope, and then you just bring from the left side, you just bring it to the right side, and from the right side you just bring it to the left side, and then you tie it at the back as well to secure the style. It's like just like that, and then you tie it together at the back. So yeah, just make sure that or if you see that the ropes are just apart from each other, you just bring them close together. You just bring them close together like this, and then yeah, that's our style. That's our first style. It's cute and it's simple. So moving on to the next style, we are going to do exactly the same thing that we did from the first style. Just tie from the front and tie to the back, from the front to the back. And then what you do, you twist the rope as well like you did, but this time around you're not bringing them uh, uh, at the front. You just twisting them to make like a bun at the back. That's what you do. So it's just gonna make like a rosy bun at the back. Yeah, basically that's it, guys. And then we're just gonna move on to the next step, to the next head wrap style. um this time we're coming from the back, to the front. We just tie like what we did at the back. From tying, we just twist the strands together, and then just wrap it around to make a rose at the front. Yeah, so yeah, it's basically so simple. And then you just fasten your ends. Just fasten your ends by just trying to push them inside the head wrap. So the next style, we from the front to the back, um, and then this time around we don't twist the to make the ropes. We just leave it like that, and then coming from the left side, to we just gonna pull it to the right side. Coming from the right side, pull it to the left side, and then you tie them together. So yeah, basically that's it, guys. And then the left, the you make sure that you tie them together to secure the hairstyle, just like that. just like that. And lastly we're just gonna tie from the back. Excuse me. Tie from the back coming to the front, like we did with other hairstyles, but this time we just make it rope and then we twist and then we just pull it to the back. Yeah, basically that's it, guys, and thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for everything. See you next time.